Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Olga is here. For those of you who haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell as well to get the latest notifications about the videos I post out there for you guys. And today's video is going to be about how to achieve a perfectly balanced eyebrow for your face. And the reason I want to emphasize your face is because we know the Instagram eyebrow has circled the internet, and I had made a couple of videos in the past about the eyebrows, but I want to retouch on the subject. And why I am calling this a balanced eyebrow is because everybody has a different face, and it seems like the eyebrows that are going around these days on the internet are all the same, so we all look like sisters and brothers. But I want to kind of give you a couple of tips to help you achieve a perfectly balanced eyebrow look for your face. My first advice to you about the eyebrows: if you are in a hurry, what to do? Let's say you are out the door, you didn't really have time to do a lot of your makeup, you have to go to work, but you want to make sure that your eyebrows look good. You can just brush them. So this is the e.l.f. brush that I got at Target. I think I paid like $1. This isn't expensive. You can get them from any brand in a drugstore. They also have them in disposable type of things that you can buy. This is what it looks like. This is what you do with it. You just brush your eyebrow. So even if you, let me just get my hair out of the way, so just brush your eyebrow. That is going to give your eye a lift. You will look more groomed than otherwise. So, and this is what you do. Just brushing your eyebrow. You're combing it through. And there you go. Now, if you do have a couple of minutes, you want to make sure that you fill in your eyebrows where they're missing. So we're going to move to another tip. You have to grab a pencil. It doesn't have to be any specific brand. Just because I use a certain brand and keep talking about it, it's only because that particular brand works for me. You can be using a brand that works for you. I personally prefer using cheap alternatives for pencils because I just don't see a point in spending a lot of money on something like Tom Ford or Kevin Aucoin pencil. For me, a drugstore option is perfectly fine. This is Jordana pencil. I have mentioned these pencils before on my channel. Absolutely love them. They're very affordable, and you can go ahead and start filling in your eyebrow. Now, when you get to this point right here, this is gonna actually feed in right into the name of this video when I say perfectly balanced eyebrow. What I'm talking about is balanced eyebrow for your face. A lot of times I've seen either too short of an eyebrow, or I see a super extended eyebrow that goes all the way over here. It's completely unnecessary, but how do we know when to stop drawing that eyebrow, right? It's kind of hard, especially, let's say you're not wearing eyeshadows. We know that the eyeshadow should not be overextending your eyebrow. But let's say you just had time to fill your eyebrows, but not enough time to do eyeshadows. Where do you stop your eyebrow? So what you do is you can take a brush or a pencil or anything like straight like this, and you can put it towards your nose, and it will fall perfectly into this space right here, as you can see. And then this is everything that is missing. This is from many years of overplucking, threading, and God knows what else. So if you're a teenager watching this video, first of all, welcome to my channel. I appreciate that. But also, I know you might think that eyebrows are bushy and you need to pluck the heck out of them, but just please do me a favor, stop plucking your eyebrows. When you're gonna be in your late 20s or 30s, you're going to regret it. Okay, I've mutilated my eyebrows, and so many of us have, so please do not pluck those eyebrows. This is what I'm missing, so I have to fill in all the way to this point. So I'm gonna draw a dot right here, and then I will fill in. So this is how I know where I need to stop. Once you have filled in your eyebrows, you can now put like a concealer around them if you want to carve them further. I do and I don't. Time for the gel. Put just enough. Do not overdo on the gel, because later what I have found out is when it's time to remove your makeup and all of that, gel hardens on your eyebrows, and if there is a lot of it, you actually run the risk of kind of ripping out the eyebrows that you do have. So you want to do just a little bit, just enough. Now this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Gel, and I have this teensy-weensy amount. You can use any brand that works for you. Heck, if you don't have the eyebrow gel, you can spray a little bit of the hairspray on something like this and run it through your eyebrows. Note, do not spray hairspray onto your face, okay? Okay, so right now it's either concealer time, carving the eyebrows if you want to achieve Instagram eyebrows. I have nothing against that. The only thing that I have is that they just look the same on everybody. And if you have black eyebrows, blonde eyebrows, red eyebrows, no eyebrows, I want you to have the eyebrows that are the best for you, because the eyebrows are like a picture frame for the beautiful picture. The eyebrows are like the frame on your face. So you make sure you have the best eyebrows that are the best possible eyebrows for you, and they are supposed to be individual, so do them the way you believe is right. These are just a little bit of the guidelines. They're tips, but they're not meant to be some kind of hard rules or anything like that. These are just the tips. I feel like they're important to share, but by all means, use the tips that work best for you. Now here, I just ordered this thing from Amazon. Look at this. This is the acrylic organizer, and this has very narrow slots right here for your pencils, because personally I get extremely frustrated when I'm trying to dig through all of my makeup drawers and I'm looking for something like this and it's hiding somewhere behind a bigger product and I can't see it. So displaying it like this is perfect. And this is the Ardell pencil, just to give you an example. It's a bit thicker than these Jordana ones, and it fits the thicker pencil. Now, things like brow gels or your mascaras will absolutely fit into these slots right here. That would be all my tips for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. A quick note, on the previous video I got a comment about my eyes. I do have an eye condition called Optic Nerve Hypoplasia, hence that's why when I look into the camera sometimes it looks like I'm not looking into the camera and I have a little bit of the movement of my eyes. I do have a video about that. If you're new to my channel, it will be attached in the description bar down below, and you can check out that video for yourself if you're interested to learn about my condition. I just wanted to answer that question in case it does come up. I will be inserting that information piece into my video so you can kind of understand as to why I'm not looking directly into the camera. I am looking into the camera though. I am speaking directly to you guys. And with all of that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me your questions and comments down below. You can ask me about this condition. I will be perfectly willing to answer the questions. Be nice, be kind, and I love you. I will see you all in my next video, guys. I love you. Bye.